skateboard to practice your balance.
Yeah!
As soon as you're confident, you can make the exercise more interesting by juggling more balls.
Let me try. It's super easy.
Okay, now let's juggle balls too.
No, I'll use these. Peppy, maybe that's not a good idea.
Peppy is really funny. Oh. Onward to the 4th dimension!
Lampo, stop. We were playing prehistoric cats.
Me too, milady. So what?
Did they have skateboards and flashlights a million years ago?
Oh, I'm a next-generation prehistoric cat.
I'll let you play with the dinosaur a while, and then make my move.
My tough plasticky dinosaur has a body that's all deformed. Tiny arms like a centipede, but strong legs like a star athlete. Oh, his logic's illogical, making sense is improbable. Ask him something, he shakes his head, and goes straight back to bed. And we call him Tira, 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 Tira. Stop it now. And we call him Tira, 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 Tira. Teasing not allowed. And we call him Tira, 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 Tira. Will this ever end? I tried to chain him through and through, but it's not working. I don't know what to do. And we call him Tira, 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 T-Rex. And we call him Tira, 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 T-Rex.
Subscribe to the channel.